let's break down a trade that I took
this morning, and I think I did mention this trade on my Sunday market breakdown video, the last video, right? So just before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents like the Falcon mechanics, the 4 hour, the reward, and also the AFT and the fast web miners also, and also the latest one, which is the hybrid trading, all you have to do is message me here on Telegram, Manoj Falcon, or you can just scan this code, right? So all you have to do is just pay a small fee, and then you'll get all of those contents, and I will also guide you on how to properly use those things, right? So let's break down. First, let's go with the weekly time frame. As we can see, we corrected from there, and where is the TP points? There is a gap. Here is the TP point. We're looking for short, and let's move down to the daily time frame. As we can see, we go right there from this inflection point right there. I was also expecting the price to come up to the upside, as I have already mentioned on the last video. And let's move down to the 4 hour time frame. I was actually looking a trade from this point, right? From correction from this point, but the market didn't react as the way I wanted. uh, we we closed up the market as gap up, and also we got right there from this value point, or you can say there's an inflection point. But just look at how the market climbs up to that value point, right? One, two, and three. Well, it is not exactly a perfect touch. It is not exactly a perfect touch. It is something like an right there, right there. And from there on, you can look for an insurance entry. As you can see, you can't clearly see the structure on the hedge one, because it is not a hedge one trade. It is a bit more advanced, I think. So you will learn all of those advanced things on the latest content, which is on the hybrid method of the trading, right? As we can see here, on the 50-minute time frame, we broke through this point. We got the first continuation structure as an insurance entry. We got the two bottom, which is here, one two, not the best structure, but it has the context in it. As we can see, the main value point right up there, there is a missing gap, and that gap has been filled, and then we got the continuation, and then we got the rejection candle. As we can clearly see there, you can just take this trade right up there. Your stop loss will be around there. It's running crazy right now, but I close it, but I manage it a bit more aggressive right now. So I am putting my stop right above there, right? So it can also simply go right there from there, and can do something like this: impulse, correction, impulse, and then eventually got directed from there, right? So as so that's what I'm expecting from this one. So yeah, and I can also just close this for 10%. So yeah, I don't actually care about that much, but still, all you have to do is just follow those consistently, the way that I have shared with you guys on previous video. Here, the main value point and the missing gap before the value point right there. Here is the main value point, there is the missing gap. That gap has to be filled, and then the rejection candle, right? This is one of the most repeatable structure, and as a Falcon student, you have to master those things. As you can see here, miss gap, fill up that gap, push to the downside. It is clear. Value point, miss gap, fill up that gap, move to the upside. It is, bro. It is the Falcon way of trading that will make you profitable. Thank you.